Here's how to add a subpage to your Wix website. So first you want to open up the Wix editor dashboard, and we want to come over to the left-hand side here on the sidebar, and we want to look for the pages and menu section. So go ahead and tap on that. And then here we're going to see our site menu. So these are going to be all of our pages on our Wix website. Now, these are going to be the main pages, but these are not actually sub pages. So let's say we want to add a sub page to one of these main pages. Well, there's two ways we can do this. The first would be to go down to the add menu item, click here, and then click on where it says new page. Now from here, you can either choose a template that's already made, or we can just go ahead and add a blank page, which I'm going to go ahead and choose. So I'm going to click on the plus blank page button right here. And this is going to create us a brand new page. Now I'm going to name this, let's say, pricing sub page, just as an example. And currently this is a main page. So the way we want to make this a sub page of, let's say we want to make it a sub page of the pricing page, make sure to drag it below the page you want to create a sub page for. And then once you do so, go ahead and tap on the three dots and click on where it says sub page on the menu. Now you're going to notice that this has been shifted over to the right and it's connected to the pricing page. This signifies that this is a sub page of the main page. Now let's say we want to go ahead and undo that and make this a regular page. We can just click and then just drag it over to the left. And now it's going to be in line with all the other pages, making it a main page. And now I'm going to show you an even faster way to create a sub page. So let's go ahead and take this page we just created again, and then move it over just to the right under the pricing page. And that will automatically make it a sub page of that page. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.